Here in this video, we will learn about how to secure your WHMCS. By default, WHMCS might be vulnerable. If you want to secure your WHMCS completely, then we need to follow certain steps and method. First of all, go to WHMCS official documentation, WHMCS official website. Here you will find some security tips. Please read them all and follow step by step. First of all, we will secure the writable directories. Therefore, we will move all the critical folders outside of public_HTML. This makes few directories secure. So first of all, go to cPanel and then go to File Manager section. Now from here you can go inside public_HTML. However, before going inside, you can make a new folder here in the name of WHMCS data. Once you have created this folder, you can go inside public_HTML and move all those 3 directories which were mentioned in the official website of WHMCS. You can select multiple folders by pressing the Control button. Now right click over it and move them towards WHMCS data folder. Once they are moved, we need to configure the same thing in our configuration file. For that, edit your configuration.php file and then modify this 3 path. Here we need to define the new path. This means we need to define our new path of WHMCS data that we have moved. Your WHMCS should be aware of these 3 paths. Once you have made the changes, click over Save Changes. Now step 2 is to secure configuration.php file. In order to secure it, we need to change the file permission of configuration.php to 400. So again go to File Manager section and then right click over configuration.php and click over Change Permissions. You can simply make it 400. Once you have made it 400, click over Change Permissions. Now in this way your configuration.php has a file permission of 0400. Now step 3 is to move crons directory towards your WHMCS folder. So right click over crons directory and then click over Move. Now again move this directory inside WHMCS data folder which we created earlier. Now again go to moved crons directory and then define the folder path inside configuration.php file. You again need to mention the same thing, that is WHMCS path. Once you have specified WHMCS path here, your WHMCS will follow WHMCS data folder. Now again go to configuration.php file and locate crons folder path. This is given under crons_dir. Here you can modify this path. As we have already modified, we can simply click over Saved Changes. You need to reconfigure it if you have still not done. Now finally go inside cron jobs and then locate the exact path inside your cron. Now from here you need to modify the path again towards your new folder. Finally click over Save Changes to save the cron settings. Now step 4 is to restrict the admin area by IP address. Via this step, only those people will be able to access the admin panel whom we have whitelisted. Now from here go towards step 5 and then change your WHMCS admin path. Now again go to your configuration.php file and then enter custom admin path code over here. This code is also given in the description box. Now finally click over Save Changes. Now step 6 is to restrict the database privileges. Now from here go to your associated database and then restrict the privileges. So select the user and the database to add the user to database and then you will find privileges section. Now from here you can deselect all those privileges which are not required. Now step 7 is to enable SSL. This can be enabled very easily via cPanel Let's Encrypt section. Now step 8 is to password protect useful directories. For example, you don't want anyone to visit admin area, so you can lock the admin area via this option. Go inside WHMCS installation directory and then click over admin path. Now from here you can password protect this admin path by simply giving a name, create a username and password. Once you have filled up all the information, your admin area is double locked. Now you need to enter password before entering your admin area. In this way, you need to enter password 2 times. One password for the main authentication and second password for the real admin area. In this way, all the security measures will be covered up by performing all the steps. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you want to host your WHMCS with a reliable hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.